Hi, I'm Rick Willis with BirdGard, and today we're going to be doing the assembly and installation of a BirdGard Super Pro unit. Now the Super Pro is available with 4 individual speakers or with the speakers contained in a metal weatherproof box. To assemble the Super Pro, lay the unit face down. Take the mounting bracket and lay it on the back and align the holes. Insert the screws and tighten. Your BirdGard Super Pro unit mounts onto a 1-inch outside diameter steel pipe. Water pipe or IMC conduit works well. U-bolt inserts from the back. Add the plate and the nuts. The mounting pole should be tall enough so the speaker box is at least 5 to 10 feet above crops or any obstructions. For blueberry and vineyards, that's typically 15 feet tall. The speaker box simply mounts on top of the pole like that. The unit has a small access panel at the bottom of the box. Remove it. The speakers install in the speaker slots. If you're using the individual speakers, each one comes with 100 feet of wire and simply plug in to the individual speaker jacks. The Super Pro unit can be powered either via AC power, battery power, or battery power and optional solar panel. Either way, insert the power cord into the slot marked power. With the access panel, there is a split grommet. Open the grommet and wrap it around the wires. Then take the access panel and put it into position. That will ensure the box stays watertight. When you're all done, simply turn the unit on and turn the volume up. Changing the sound cards on the BirdGard Super Pro unit is extremely simple. Start by turning the unit down and then turning it off. The sound card is easily removed. Just gently grab it and pull it out. The label on the sound card contains a list of all the target birds and raptor sounds. If you end up with a species you didn't anticipate, just give us a call. The sound card is easily reinstalled. Be sure the memory portion of it is to the left. Just simply read the label. Insert the card, make sure that it's seated completely, turn the unit back on and the volume all the way up. The BirdGard Super Pro unit has 8 dip switches that correspond to the 8 sounds on the sound card. The 6 switches below that are operational. They include switch numbers 1 and 2 are for the time off interval. 3 and 4 are for the daytime, whether it's daytime, nighttime, or 24-hour. Number 5 is random, that should always be in the on position. And number 6 turns on either all 4 speakers at once or the speakers will play individually one at a time. For maximum effectiveness, we recommend number 6 to be on all the time. Start by turning the solar panel over. The solar panel bracket has movable plates that are held in place by the carriage bolt nuts. Loosen them slightly, but do not remove them. Lay it across the solar panel and then rotate so that the plates go underneath the lip of the solar panel frame. And tighten. The 20-watt solar panel features a locking screw This may be a Phillips or an Allen. If it is an Allen screw, the wrench will be provided. Back it out enough that the bracket will rotate, but do not remove the screw at this time. Rotate it so that the bracket is at about a 45-degree angle, so that the panel, when it is installed, will be angled like that. Then, screw the screw in to hold it in place. This does not need to be real tight, just snug it up so that it doesn't loosen up. Then, tighten the hinge bolts. Install the U-bolts through the bracket, but leave the nuts loose. Push them forward and slide the whole unit over the top of the mounting pole and tighten in place. Remember, the solar panel must face south. Once the solar panel is installed, plug the power cord into the power jack and attach the battery clips to a deep cycle 12-volt battery. Please make sure black goes on the negative, red goes onto the positive. To reset your BirdGard unit, turn the power off, disconnect the power supply from the unit, pull the sound card, and wait 30 seconds. At the end of 30 seconds, reinstall the sound card, making sure that the memory chip is facing the left. Reinstall the power cord and turn the unit on. If it still does not work satisfactorily, please contact us. I'm Rick Willis with BirdGard. This is the BirdGard Super Pro. Thank you for watching.